Hey, where you been? We're making guacamole. Why did you not turn yourselves on and join us? We're just about to the stir and taste part of this lovely process. Sad empty bag. Da 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 da. We're out of onion. We had a half of one, which was really kind of not actually enough to make the guacamole.
That means we killed it.
But you can see what we got here. We have half of this tomato, the onion half that we had left, and we have squeezed half of a lime. We have, this is a tablespoon, we need a teaspoon, we need 1 teaspoon of salt, some crushed red pepper. I think it calls for a half a teaspoon, but we usually use a little less. 1 avocado. And chips ready for the tasting. This we're going to make another batch later.
Actually, I didn't know there was tomato in guacamole.
Well, there is in this recipe. Usually, I don't think there is. Okay, now we want the lime juice. Take that off. The stuff can be kind of scraped out.
It can be poured out from here.
Okay. Well, okay. I was trying to look and see if there was a place.
Okay.
I want all of it. Dump it on
the
guacamole. Yeah, and kind of. Where's the spoon? We need to stir a little bit. There we go. That's what I was wanting. Okay, pour a little over it. Drizzle slowly. Okay. No. See?
Went out fast.
Here. Just kind of get it all over the guacamole. Pour over here. Over here. Yeah. See, by stirring that directly onto the guacamole, we're trying to make sure it doesn't turn brown before it has to. Dump the rest in. The lime juice was barely dripping, and that's going glunk, glunk, glunk. It's your sound effects. Okay, salt sprinkle. You want a salt sprinkle?
Yeah. Just a sprinkle.
Yeah. Just kind of all over. We have, oh,
that wasn't lovely. There you go.
Kind of a,
It won't hurt it.
no. It won't tell. Just wash my hands 3 times anyway, so we should be good. Okay. Let me give a light sprinkle of this. Crushed red pepper, courtesy of Domino's. You know, let's...
Huh?
Hey, I just thought I'd see what the camera was saying. Oh, okay.
That was a good bit.
Well, we need like a fourth of a teaspoon.
From experience, I put some of that on pizza.
I think it calls for a half a teaspoon,
When
maybe.
I
Anyway.
thought it was the cheese stuff. It was warm.
Give that a nice, gentle toss. Maybe. Okay. Oh, I lost the camera again. And okay, how about I just move it over here?
I think it was disappointed.
No, I had the. All I could see was your arm there.
Oh.
I was just aiming it like for where you were, and then you moved over there. Okay. Okay. Okay, focus. Okay, let it. Okay, somehow here.
Okay. Don't try to really push it off too much. You kind of stain the table. Won't hurt it.
What? Okay.
Flick some out.
Huh?
I said I must have flicked some out.
Yeah. But the guacamole,
it
can't really. Well, shoot, I have it closed up on it. You just have to kind of gently fold it in. See the guacamole, it's very soft. I like them firmer.
It is very soft.
Come on. Share with friends. We really could use more onion and more tomato. Are we still? Well, we're kind of in there. Here we go. Let us break crunchy bread together. Okay, that's all you. Okay. I'm gonna dig a little through here. I don't want 2 hunks of tomato. I want, well,
I want a hunk of tomato there.
it doesn't want us to taste it right now. Darn.
Oh, it's salty. Ooh, it's salty.
Okay. Well, I was going to have you dump half the salt in. Ow. That's where I have that hole in my tooth.
Oh.
The missing tooth. These things go up in it. Sometimes I get rammed up in it like I'm biting on an arrowhead.
That's good, but it's a little bit salty. But still good. Salty?
Those are salty too.
True.
Well, it's pretty good though. Chop up the stuff in the. It's a good thing I have the camera closed up on this. It's in the dishwater. It needs wiped off and the.
I need a towel.
Okay. A scoop of onion.
Man, the other day I was cutting a lot of tomatoes.
Can that see it?
No. It zoomed in. Up.
Oh, I thought I was. Can you see it?
Let it focus.
Okay, I can't hold it still.
Okay,
So
I ain't going to focus. Hold on, let me zoom it out. How do I do that?
It's focusing now?
No. It just needs zoomed out, I'd say. I think it's too close. And
Oh, the camera's ready to fall off the table.
This is zoomed and an old.
Okay, there we have a nice little chip. Come on, focus again. With tomato and onion and avocado and little pepper flakes and the lime juice you can't see and the salt you can't see, but you can taste. And you know what? It's pretty good.
Watch out getting a big bite though, that'd be a lot of salt.
Looks nice. Okay. I didn't say some pretty good. And the salt.
How much of this?
The rest, chop the whole thing, but chop it finely. The salt,
It's strong with this one.
no, I think more in one spot, kind of.
Okay.
If you turn them over, they cut better.
True.
And we don't smash it out and smash juice. It stays in there better. Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing, it just needs to be made by Frito-Lay. Some of the The guacamole's in big chunks. Some of my tomatoes are too. It looks pretty good. Here, cut this off.
Oh.
You got it on a few different pieces. Okay, lay it. That's not a paring knife, dude.
Oh, you told me.
No, you can use that one to cut it with, but I'm saying that's a big knife to hold in your hand to do something with. So, see this? Can be cut right through here.
Okay.
Okay, this is just yumly. Oh my. Like McDonald's, I'm loving it. Burger King, having it my way. Frito-Lay, no one can eat just one. It's so
Did
good.
you stir the salt up a little bit more? Did you stir the salt up more?
Well, I stirred. I think it's lovely. You might not.
A lot less salty.
Oh, mercy. Well, your thoughts?
I think it would be good refrigerated, but if we put it in the refrigerator, it might be gone before I can get to it.
Will the fridge eat it?
You might.
Or do you think sitting out here you can guard it better?
No, I think it would be better in the
Is that
fridge.
your amusing thoughts?
Yeah. I'm amusing myself. It is good.
Oh my.
I think you're liking it too.
I already explained to you, this is what happens with me. No. It's supposed to be mixed together and set in the fridge for a half hour to blend.
Well, do you want to let it blend, or do you think you can't not let it blend?
Yeah, I like it. That was yummy.
And I guess if those people want to, they can put less salt in it if they're offended by how much salt we have in it.
Actually, it's a recipe by a very strict vegan and health nut.
Really? Well, hey.
This is actually my nephew's wife's recipe.
Really?
Yes. Okay, now I'm getting some pepper flakes.
Warm?
Lovely. Not overbearing. My recipe box is buried back there somewhere. And I've tried it with less salt before.
And it wasn't as yumly?
No. And see, the lime juice, you're going to get like acid from lime juice too.
Really?
So, it's a citrus.
Hold on. That's a big.
It's better if you break it so you can keep reloading. Okay, not like that. The avocado is weighty too. It's weighty. So hard to scoop.
they're probably amused by just. Ooh, that's a pepper flake.
Good?
Mm-hmm. It's also my first time trying guac.
Do we want to add more tomato? We need onion too. Or do you want to keep that for the other half at this point?
Hmm?
Do you want to keep that for the other half at this point?
I think I'll keep it for the other half. You know what we should have made this for Cinco de Mayo?
That's kind of what we did, dude.
Oh, is that today?
It's today.
Oh.
That's what we got it
I thought it
for.
was tomorrow.
Cinco is 5. Mayo is May. This is Cinco de Mayo. Tomorrow it will be 6 de Mayo. Okay.
What about Grace? And Uno.
Trace and Uno already went by.
Correct.
Uno de Mayo was May 1st.
It's so heavy.
Trace de Mayo was May 3rd.
The guac is heavy.
Mm-hmm.
It broke the chip in multiple places.
Mm-hmm. That's what I said. It's flaky.
We better try to put this in the fridge before we finish it. It might get better.
Excuse me?
Huh? I said it might get better.
I know. What's that mean?
It's good. But maybe in the fridge it'll be nice and cool, and since it's going to be hot out today and stuff.
It's nice the way it is.
True.
I don't know. I won't set it. And the crunch says it all. And I like it in this bowl because this is Mom's mashed potato bowl. But to put it in the fridge, we'll put it in here.
To be honest, I don't know what avocado tastes like, so I don't know which part I'm tasting is the avocado.
We'll get a little hunk of the green by itself. And when you taste it, think cream cheese.
It's cream cheesy?
I think so. And I think it's good enough
Well, it's warm.
to lick this. Mm-hmm. Yummy.
Ooh, I got a lot of black pepper with that one.
There's no black pepper in it.
Or the, you know.
Red pepper flakes?
Yeah, red pepper flakes. That's it.
Yeah, I've
My
got a
tongue
little
is warm.
toasty part on the tip of my tongue at the moment. What happened to you could take it hot? Mm-hmm.
No, I got like a bunch of them, like 3, 4, 5.
See, it doesn't make that much. There's probably a good hefty cup in there. You want to grab me a lid, and you could hang out here with us longer.
No, my tongue's getting worse. I rubbed it around.
Watch it taste more. Okay. Ooh. There you have it. Oh, don't put it on yet. Your thoughts?
It's pretty warm.
You better think it's good. Heathen. This has been Laura's Guacamole.
It's still zoomed in. I can only
Brought
see
to
your
you-
nose and your eyes.
Well, my nose. I'm sticking my nose in this one. What you got me
It's just
now?
your eyes.
Well, look at my eyes. They're telling you the truth. The guacamole is good.
Oh, there's a little bit of your mouth.
Eat
There's
the
your forehead.
guacamole. We'll zoom out. We're going to zoom out for now. Praise God from whom all blessings flow.
And chow
He
for
covered
now.
the guacamole.
Correct.
He's trying to say that chow for now is chow for later. And I am protesting.